Everyone, this is Linda from the duchesskitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm making lime popsicle. It's very easy and quick. So these are the ingredients that we need: limes, lime zest, sugar, and water. And I'm going to use the half cup. The sugar is half cup, and I'm going to add half cup of water to it to make syrup. So I'm just going to put this on fire for it to cook, simmer till the sugar is dissolved. And I'm going to now extract my juice, and the juice is going to give us about half cup lemon juice or 3 large lemons. So whichever way you want to use, but if you use a fresh lemon, it is refreshing. Limes, sorry, it is really refreshing. And yeah, so this is our juice. I'm just going to strain it into the water, into the measuring cup with water. The rest of the water that we had, which is 1.5 cup, and this is our syrup, which has also cooled down a little bit. And I'm just going to add it to it and stir everything together. If you don't mind the pulps, you can just leave it like that without straining it. And just stir everything together. And just going to add the zest to give it a bit color. That's so the flavor of the lime to come through. I'm sorry, using lemon lime, the flavor of the lime to come through. Alright, so this can be your line made if you want to just chill it and serve it. But since we are making popsicle, just pour them into the popsicle mold and cover it and add your popsicle sticks. If you don't have a mold, you can use small ice cream cups and use it. That one you chill it. You freeze the popsicle for about 2 hours before adding the sticks if you want them to stand upright. But if you don't mind them slanting, then you can go ahead and add it and put it in the freezer. So it has been overnight and our popsicles are ready, as you can see. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you to all my subscribers, and please subscribe. Bye.